We are in Luddesdown, which is a little kind of parish close to Rochester, just below from Cobham, Kent. My team and I manage the non-vineyard part of the estate. That means managing all the pastures, the meadows, woodlands, footpaths. Well, this estate is primarily a vineyard, so half of it is basically under vine. We've got around 635 hectares of land between Luddesdown and Cobham. We are the biggest organic vineyard in the country, and then the rest is basically meadows, pastures, woodlands. Well, the National Highways Designated Fund was really important to us and very timely because we needed quite a lot of fencing repaired across the state. So to allow us kind of to graze areas like this and to manage all our wildflower meadows. So it was very, very, very useful.
So in this area, especially along the other side of the valley, we've got a bank that has rare orchids, so like fly orchids. We've got a couple of bee orchids, but mainly pyramidals. We'll also have a lot of species that are specific to chalk grasslands. So chalk grasslands is quite rare in the UK. Most of it is in Kent. This is why our job here is really important. It's to protect the chalk grasslands, basically. So the cattle we've got here, we've got 10 female cows, and then we've got 5 little ones, and 5 are actually in calf as well. We're expecting them in July. They're longhorns, so they're a native breed. We've got around 300 sheep, and they're native sheep as well, so they're Kent Romney sheep. They're all across the estate. We've just finished lambing back in April. We've got 130 little new lambs, and we've got 40 Ebden's geese. So conservation grazing is basically when you use animals essentially to do the job of your tractors. So for example, our longhorns here, they're basically on this patch at the moment to cut back all of the longer grass so that the flowers underneath have a chance to grow. The first time I ever came here and to be sort of shown around, and I just remember thinking how lucky I was to actually be working in this location and how beautiful it is and how rare it is. So yeah, it means a lot to be here.
What I like about working here is the variety of habitats, the people, and yeah, the landscape. I mean, look at it. It's just, we're very fortunate to be in this part of Kent.